is up, everyone? Hope you guys are all having a great day and staying healthy. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, it's great to see you again. Right now, I am currently on the road to Bow, New Hampshire, to Mainline Overland, to pick up, as you could probably tell by the title of this video, some rock sliders. I've really been debating on what company to go with the rock sliders, and I was able to talk to amazing people, super helpful over at Mainline Overland, and we were able to figure something out, and I'm really excited, and I hope this is the beginning of an amazing partnership, because you guys really do rock. When you pull up to the shop, they have a few builds that they have done outside, and this is definitely probably my dream build. A beautiful taco, and then they also have a fully equipped Ram that looks like it's ready for the end of the world. So this is just a little sneak peek of their storage room. I focused a little bit more on kind of like learning about the shop and everything rather than filming. But if you guys are interested, I'd be more than happy to drive back down and do a formal shop tour. Not really sure where I left off, but it is the next day and I am headed down to my friend's house, Ross at Project Alpine 603. Make sure to check him out, to install the sliders. So this should be fun. I know that I'm going to have to go to Home Depot to pick up the hardware for it because that is not included in the kit. Just to make sure that when you guys do, if you are to order from Mainline Overland, make sure to get some bolts for them. I think anyways is a better idea because now I can pick out the actual bolts that I wanted to do and maybe get a little bit like heavy duty. You never know. So should be fun. Hopefully it'll be an easy install. I mean, I looked up a few videos last night and it looks fairly easy, so go. There's this huge truck and they're just like taking forever. Sorry. So after stopping at a few hardware shops, Lowe's and Home Depot, not sponsored by any of them, but hey, if any of you guys are watching, don't be afraid to give me a message, you know, I'd love to see if we can, no, I'm kidding. But I got all my stuff together, I got all the bolts, really hoping that this is the right stuff, you know. There wasn't actually like a install thing, so we kind of just like went with the one that was offline, so hopefully it's like a generic. I'm assuming that they can't be any different. I also got some paint and picked up some plywood because we're starting my drawer system also, so it'll be a fun day. So currently we are trying to jack these rock sliders up to put it up on the thing. It's always something you need to get is a jack so you can lift it up, because you will not be able to hold these up for as long as you need to.
So basically what I'm doing here
is kind of just like ratchet, like giving it a little extra.
Basically, I do this.
Oh. Sun is like right there. This is when we could really use it on it. We'll be right back. Because of the extremely warm day, you know, had to make our own garage.
Makes my life living hell because I have to take it out.
Oh, that's annoying. But that's just like, so you need to take that off to access some stuff.
There's a bolt, there's a nut behind it.
Oh, thank you, Toyota.
Maybe I can get the wrench behind it. I did. I actually did get it.
Wow. Well, then
I need my tool bag. There's 3 sets of...
Yeah. If you guys are wondering what this white stuff is, it's just some grease that Toyota had used when they had sprayed my frame for the recall. Even though they did it so quick that I didn't even think that they did it. They told me it was going to be like 3 to 5 days. I dropped the truck off on a Friday. Called me Saturday morning saying it was done. So I was a little confused on that one. I didn't get to keep the rental car for fun. But it was whatever. It was a Hyundai Elantra. It wasn't anything exciting. Definitely was just an impact with all these little...
This is a ratchet.
Oh, not an impact. Oh, like always, guys, you know I don't know what I'm talking about. All I know how to do is hold the camera. So this is more or less is what it's going to look like. You know, obviously not angled as high, but put all that stuff, jacked it up, and now we're just marking the bolts that we need, or the places that we need to drill for bolts. There we go.
And something else I always do is I line it.
You hit it.
It gives me a spot to work off sometimes. Yeah, if you just want to hold it like that, just down out of my way. Did I hit it?
Nope, but that was, she would have been. Need me to hold? That's good. Just watch out for the brake lines, everyone, when you're doing this, you know. Ooh, that's why a second person is a must. Wow.
Fight me.
There you go. Oh. Don't break that bit. You just got it.
Would not be the first time I have bought a bit and broke a bit. Nice thing is my dad keeps me from punching my...
Does smell pretty warm.
Oh, she's warm.
Ooh.
I'm good. No, I'm good.
Jeez, wait.
I'm good. I just need a moment.
Oh, got that on video.
Ding.
Jeez.
I'm good. I just need to turn this way.
Everyone just needs a good knock in the head.
Why do you not want fuck?
Alright, so we've drilled the holes. Now, it's to get to the bolts. We weren't able to do the bottom yet, but we're going to figure that out a little bit. It's a little bit harder material, I guess, than the bottom makes sense of the frame, but geez, it's nice. Yep, okay. Tighten her up, babies. Like hers, that's where they would mount in right there.
Yeah, no.
And look at, you can tap it and it's like hollow.
Oh yeah.
So like,
that's where your factory rails would mount.
yeah, exactly. Because like I remember I stepped on hers and like the whole, and it moved with me. I mean, I'm not.
If these movies got bigger issues.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Like, sort of. What do you think would be easier, welded? Or these?
Welded would be easier, but these you can take off.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. You know how to weld, right?
Not 100% yet. But
That's on YouTube.
game of laying shit up that you can't see.
And you're just doing this side to make sure it's like extra?
Yep. No, this is one of your factory bolts.
Oh, okay.
There's that.
So we just finished this side. Looks absolutely amazing. I really loved how angled up it is. It does allow me to be a step if I wanted to, but if it's not, definitely some added protection and really adds to the build. So now we're going over to the passenger side. It'll be a lot easier, obviously, because we know what we're doing. So I might not pick up the camera for this one and just get it done. Alright everyone, and that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for sticking around to the end, and if you did like it, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Another huge thanks to Nick and his team over at Mainline Overland in Bow, New Hampshire for really hooking me up with these amazing rock sliders. Make sure to go check them out. I'll link them below in the description. Like I said guys, have a wonderful